Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. In today's video, I am doing the June 2022 CurlBox unboxing. I have been MIA for a little bit because I was literally in MIA. I'm going to fix my absence by putting up some videos that I have already recorded, so just look out for those. Right now I want to get into this June CurlBox unboxing so we can see what we have. Some of you may have already seen a CurlBox already for this month, but I've made sure I did not look because I still want to be surprised. So I'm going to get that box and we can get it open right now. So here's my box. It's a little beat up. Let's just get it open and see what we got for June. This is interesting. So outside of the CurlBox is this Maui Moisture Frizz Free Shea Butter Elongating Gel. It's for dry and damaged hair, and this is it right here. So let's get this box out. I think last June was also that Maui Moisture box that I recently used. If you missed me using those products in a wash and go, I will put it here and down in the description box. So here is my CurlBox. Let's get it open. So this is the front of the little booklet, and in the back it says June 2022, strength and length. Here's this inside. Let's look at the products. I see a castor and neem oil shampoo. It's for strength and length, and this for damaged and transitioning curls. This is interesting. Next is the matching conditioner. So it's a shampoo and the conditioner. Very interesting. They all have castor oil, neem oil, and peppermint oil. This is sulfate free. This is silicone free. After that is this Frizz Free plus Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Mist. It's also for dry and damaged curls, and it's that purple packaging that is like this and similar to the deep conditioner that I mentioned in the last Maui Moisture video where I did that wash and go. Last but not least is this Strength and Length Castor and Neem Oil Curl Oil Gel. This is something that I am very excited to try. It's also for damaged and transitioning curls. It's to strengthen, hydrate, and define. And this is paraben and silicone free. I believe no Maui Moisture products have any silicones or parabens. So I can't wait to try this out. So that is my June 2022 CurlBox. I think last year in June I also had a Maui Moisture box that I recently just used, and I did enjoy it very much. Comment down below if you've used any of these Maui Moisture products already. I have not used any of these in the box yet, but I'm very excited to try them. Thank you so much for watching this CurlBox unboxing, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.